Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. First, I will introduce myself. My name is Ajum Trinawati. I am from class 3A, Tier 3 Dental Hygiene. In here, I will present material about smoking hurts. Well, I will start. Content number 1, definition of cigarette. Number 2, reason people smoke. Number 3, cigarette ingredients. Number 4, danger smoking for health. Definition of cigarette. Cigarette are roll of tobacco that are rolled or wrapped in paper. Leaves or crown hooks as big as the little finger with a legs of X for X until 10 centimeters, usually smoked by someone after burning the ends. Cigarettes are also addictive substance because they can cause addiction and dependence for the person who smokes it. In other words, cigarettes belong to the class of drugs or narcotics, psychotropics, alcohol, and additive substances. Next, reason people smoke. The reason for smoking for the first time from various research results include try, go along, just want to feel lonely, to look stylish or prestige, imitation parents, joking, relapse tension. Let's not say CC, symbol of maturity, looking for inspiration as a stress reliever, saturation remover. Next, cigarette ingredients. Cigarette ingredients that are dangerous to health. Each cigarette contains more than 4,000 types of chemicals that are harmful to the body. 400 of them can be toxic, while 40 of them can cause cancer. These are some of the examples. Nicotine. Nicotine is a substance that causes addiction with a high tolerance. That is, the longer it is consumed, the more it increases. Next, carbon monoxide. This harmful gas should only be present in fashion exhaust fumes. However, with the contribution of smokers, this gas, which can also bind strongly to blood hemoglobin, becomes more abundant in the air and the human body. Next, tar is usually used to pave roads. If found in the body through smoking cigarette, then gradually and surely will cause cancer. Next, benzene. Benzene can be found in practice and fuel oil or gasoline. Exposure to benzene in cigarette can increase the risk of developing leukemia and other blood disorders. Next, acetone. Acetone is substance that is used to dissolve pain. You can imagine the danger if that substance are in our bodies. Next, danger of smoking for health. Dangers of smoking for health. The chemical substance contained in cigarettes are very dangerous for your health and those around you. There are several dangers of smoking to health, including first, cardiovascular disorders. People who smoke frequently are actively smoking or simply inhaling secondhand smoke from those around them. are at higher risk of cardiovascular disease, such as heart disease and stroke. These risks the further increase in smokers who rarely exercise, do not maintain a diet, and are often stressed. Number two, brain damage. Smoking can interfere with brain development and function, both in children, adolescents, and adults. In addition, smoking can also increase the risk of various diseases in the brain, such as stroke, brain aneurysm, and dementia. Number three, disease of the mouth and throat. Bad breath, dry teeth, and gum disease are common effects of smoking. Not only that, smoking can also cause other serious problems, such as cancer of the mouth, lips, tongue, and throat, including cancer of the larynx and nasopharyngeal cancer. Number four, lung disease. One of the most dangerous effects of smoking is lung cancer. Chemicals in cigarettes have the potential to damage lung, which can be then turn into cancer cells. In addition, smoking can also cause various diseases of the lungs, such as bronchitis, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, and emphysema. Next, stomach disease. Smoking can weaken the muscles that control the lower part of the esophagus, allowing stomach acid to rise up into the esophagus. This condition is known as acid reflux disease or GERD. Some other risks of gastric disease that can occur in a smoker are ulcers of gastric ulcer and gastric cancer. Next, buns are porous or brittle. Toxin in cigarette can cause bone fragility. Therefore, smokers are more at risk of developing brittle bones or osteoporosis. Research also states that women who smoke are more prone to osteoporosis than women who do not smoke. Number seven, premature aging. Signs of premature aging, such as wrinkles around the eyes and mouth, are at risk of appearing earlier in active smokers. This is due to the lack of oxygen intake to the skin. So people who smoke will look older than people who do not smoke. And number 8, problem with the reproductive organ. Smoking can interfere with the reproductive system and fertility. In men, smoking can cause erectile dysfunction and reduce sperm production, while in women, smoking can reduce fertility rates. In addition, the risk of cervical cancer is higher because smoking reduces the body's natural ability to HPV infection. Number 9, psychological disorders. In addition to physical illness, smoking can also cause physical disorder such as anxiety disorder, insomnia, and depression. This effect can occur because the brain has been damaged due to frequent exposure to toxic substance from cigarettes or because of stopping smoking suddenly. Okay, I think that's all I can say. More and less, I apologize. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.